Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can manage volume buttons in Siemens washing machine iSensoric. So in the first step, turn on your appliance and leave the control knob to the first program, the cotton. Now hold the spinning button and switch the control knob to the second position. Now we are in the settings mode. To manage the volume of the buttons, switch to the synthetics, the third position, and now you can manage the volume of the buttons by the delay button. The 4 is the highest volume, the 0 means turn it off, the 1 is the lowest volume signal. And that's it. To apply the settings, just turn off your device. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.